How to change language on Hisense TV. First of all, press the home button on your Hisense TV remote control to bring yourself to this screen. Then press up on the direction pad to get to the top menu. Then go to the right. Then click OK on that settings cog at the top. Then you want to press down until you get to the setting you want to change. First of all, I'll show you how to do the subtitle. So go down to accessibility. Then press the right hand side button on the direction pad. Then go to subtitle settings. Then within there, you can change the primary subtitle language. That's going to be coming up at the bottom of your screen with whatever language it is. So you can do one primary subtitle language, and you can also do a secondary one as well. So if you're trying to learn the language or something like that, you can do two subtitles at once. That's the subtitle settings within there. And make sure as well within there you want to have subtitles turned on at the top there. Make sure it's not off, make sure it's on. So click OK on that, then turn the subtitles on. Make sure it's enabled by clicking that subtitle there, otherwise it won't work. So that's how it's done for the subtitle settings. Next, you can go over to voice guide. You can do that within there. So you can go into accessibility, go to voice guide, and then it have a voice guide with a different language if you want it. So you can open it up there, change the language. You've got 3 different options for that on my TV. Potentially for you, it could be a bit different. So you can do different languages within there. And then also within the settings menu, there are different types of language settings. You just have to go through these settings, find what you want to change, and then you'll be able to do it. There are a few different options within there, such things as the sound, the accessibility, etc. So you do whatever you want to do within there. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.